Anchor Show is one more crypto project that bright lights on making endlessly trades less complex for clients and monetary patrons. Through its advancing and gaining show on the land blockchain, we know the meaning of expert exploration work and establishment examination of any cryptographic cache or mechanized asset. Before hypothesis, we similarly know that cost gauges explicitly are constantly valuable in adventure decisions. Over this, we will take you through Anchor Show quote from ACE examiners and other urgent information concerning this crypto project. Here is a quick diagram of Anchor Show coin cost measure for captivated monetary patrons and crypto clients. End of 2022, the Anchor Show coin has hit a critical dive, beginning from the very outset of the year 2022, and will stunningly end the year in the plummeting zone, with a trading cost of 236 end of 2023. The rising commonness and the improvement of the land blockchain will influence the advancement in the expense of the Anchor Show coin as expenses should reach 281 end of 2025. Keeping the power beforehand fundamental. The beyond 2 years, the Anchor Show coin will see an improvement in its expense, as the expense will turn at 478 end of 2030. Ceaselessly 2030 various crypto tokens presumably become effortlessly perceived names, giving more prominent legitimacy to the crypto space, and besides making more impact for crypto tokens and coins to foster significantly more. This will in like manner influence the Anchor Show coin, driving esteem upwards to 1049 per token. Anchor Show as a blockchain drive that does crediting and getting, offering stablecoin saves to a 195 interest moneylenders can put their USDs on the stage and get extraordinary rates on their hypotheses, while furthermore valuing insignificant eccentricism. Borrowers can change over their Luna protection into critical assets without surrendering control. Monetary sponsor searching for exceptional yield, low flightiness assets will be attracted to get show extending interest for USD. This works with the affirmation of USD as a stablecoin, and hence the land project in DeFi. The expense of Luna will rise as land whose planners are behind the farewell of Anchor Show gets force and is totally taken on in the DeFi space. Disregarding the combination of DeFi courses of action accessible, one could battle that there is before long no simple to utilize hold supports project that is both simple to use and secure, with the eventual result of procuring general gathering. Given the worth instability of most crypto assets, stamping is unsuitable for by a long shot the majority of monetary patrons. Of course, the intermittent thought of stablecoin advance expenses on DeFi support points, like Maker and Gather, makes them genuinely inadmissible for monetary patrons. Anchor Show was arranged as potentially the earliest show ashore to satisfy this huge need. It's a benefit-paying venture subsidizes stage considering block stimuli from critical proof of stake blockchains. Anchor offers benefactors complete protection of their head through a stablecoin speculation. Finances thing with a steady credit cost. It achieves this by consigning block benefits to assets used to credit stablecoins and controlling the store funding cost. Anchor Show offers DeFi's benchmark credit charge, not altogether settled by the yield of the shameful pose blockchains. The fundamental goal of the show is to transform into the overall standard for blockchain mechanized income. Terraform Labs, a South Korean fintech firm formed by Daniel Shin and Do Kwon, shipped off Anchor Show in WOC 2021. Terraform Labs is moreover the creator of the Land Layer 1 blockchain, which has exploded in omnipresence in the DeFi business. Terraform Labs has raised $150 million from exceptional crypto monetary benefactors, for instance Pantera Capital, Arrington XRP Capital, Framework Modernized and Blocktower Capital, making it one of the greatest and most organized associations in the advanced cash market. Unique characteristics of the Anchor Show: anchors, smooth UI and clear usability, set it beside an enormous number of other money market shows like OV and Compound. The show's principal worthought is to relate borrowers and moneylenders by outfitting the past with a framework to get in stablecoin without taking a risk with their endeavors, and the last choice with an enticing funding cost on stable assets. Other fundamental unique features and convenience include to save cash crypto assets, may not be the most ideal choice for clients searching for a more secure mechanized income. Because of their basic expense, unconventionality Anchor offers a leave plan with land. Stablecoin cash markets givers of the land stablecoin will gain stablecoins, thus redirecting the high unsteadiness of other crypto assets. Anchor's store credit cost security philosophy ensures unsurprising returns, defending against flightiness with the ultimate objective of liquidation. Clients who don't wish to store or get can join the Anchor liquidation pool, a significant bet colossal award thing that gives liquidation resources for secure commitment assets. Liquidation charges paid on arrangement execution might be useful for liquidation contract owners for safety efforts. Anchor uses a liquidation connection to ensure that benefactors' capital is protected. Stores are safeguarded similar length as the responsibilities they secure are especially collateralized. The Anchor liquidation show hopes to shield stores by dealing with commitments that are at risk for not get-together security requirements. Plan of impact clients can procure stablecoins and purchase the same old thing asset with their assets as protection, engaging them to utilize their standing firm on and circumstances. Clients can similarly profit from low-rate periods by getting stablecoin at a humble cost and making intrigues in assets with a more vital return than their gaining cost. Clients requiring extra stablecoin liquidity can do as such with fundamentally no additional superior because their assets block rewards cover the store supporting expense. Anchor show coin ANC, the show's nearby organization token. ANC can be set apart as a trade-off for projecting a voting form privileges and a say in Anchor's new development. It has a total measure of 1 billion coins with 222 million now accessible for use. There is no information on vesting courses of occasions on Anchor's site. Not long after its conveyance, the ANC token hit an immaculate high of more than 8, yet has since lost a huge proportion of critical worth. Coincidentally, accepting the UST supply continues to create ANC could return to its past trading extent of 3 to 4. The ANC coin is conveyed as follows: borrower grant 40 monetary sponsor 20 Luna stamping rewards 10 bunch 10 neighborhood 10 airdrops 5 ANC liquidity 5. Anchor relies upon the land blockchain, which is a layer 1 blockchain with a Tendermint-based assigned confirmation of stake understanding. Show Luna token holders can either stake their tokens autonomously or consign their tokens to validators to defend the association. Anchor has also been surveyed by Cryptonics and established on numerous occasions and certified to be secure each time a bug overflow program is open in the show, with inspirations going from 500 to 150,000. The ANC token is open ashore as a nearby CW20 token and on Ethereum as an ERC20 token. Anchor show ANC worth history. It is crucial for note and appreciate the worth history of Anchor show coin.